5 places on the planet that science cannot explain. Cut stone. This tall boulder has become a hot topic of debate on the internet, where people are coming up with different theories. Located in Tama Races, Saudi Arabia, the Ayanala rock formation reportedly has 1,000-year-old petroglyph, an image of a person leading an Arabian horse. The horse in the carving is said to be one of the world's oldest breeds, whose existence can be traced back to the 7th century in Saudi Arabia. Some say that the split in the middle, 4,000-year-old geological formation, is too perfect to be caused naturally. Therefore, people began to speculate that it must be the work of the aliens. One even commented with a super laser pointer on some random planet their species found and accidentally cut a rock in half. Others believe that the ancient civilization was more advanced than people think, however. The mystery is said to be solved by a geologist, Darvaza. Also known as the Door to Hell. The Darvaza is a crater located in the Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan. The fire in the 60-meter wide and 20-meter deep crater is burning for almost 4 to 5 decades. Therefore, people call it the Gates to Hell. Soviet needs to be thanked for this forever burning crater. Their curiosity led to this unique phenomenon. The area is rich in natural gas, and so in 1971, the Soviets went on a gas exploration expedition. While drilling, the explorers accidentally went too deep and tapped into a massive underground natural gas cavern. As a result, the ground collapsed, and in an attempt to prevent the gas from escaping into the atmosphere, the geologists decided to light the pit on fire, hoping that within days the fire would cool down. But looks like the supply of natural gas from underground is infinite at night. The fire-burning crater can be seen from far away, and the smell of sulfur becomes stronger as a person nears the Darvaza. As the story of the Gates to Hell became popular, tourists flocked to the place to witness this man-made crater. Reportedly in 2004, Afghanistan president issued an order for the Darvaza village to be moved to another place for safety reasons. Lake Karachay. Located in Russia, this lake has been mentioned in the Guinness World Records as the most radioactive lake ever. Karachay water body is formed near the Maya Production Association, which is said to be one of the largest and leakiest fishing facilities in Russia. According to reports, this association was kept a secret by the government till 1990, and in those periods, the industry dumped their waste product into the lake. Some claim that by the time the association was revealed to the public, it had been responsible for a 21% increase in cancer incidents, a 25% increase in birth defects, and a 41% increase in leukemia in the surrounding region of Chelyabinsk. Reportedly, Lake Karachay is filled with concrete to keep the harmful chemicals away from the shore. And also the neighboring city and plant are out of limits, and the only way to get in is through a checkpoint. One of the most polluted spots in the world began to dry up in the 1960s, and the 1968 drought, along with a strong wind, carried the harmful waves and spread them among the nearby residents. Endless thunderstorms. In the west of Venezuela, one will find a never-stopping thunderstorm over the Katatumba River. It is said that the natural phenomenon starts at 7 p.m. every day and lasts for almost 10 hours. Nobody knows the exact reason behind this endless thunderstorm. However, theories have been made regarding the same. According to one theory, this natural occurrence could be the result of uranium in the nearby swabs. Scientists also speculate that the lightning bolts can be connected to certain types of mountains over which streams of warm air winds and cold air from the Andes Mountains collide then. The winds combine with a rapidly evaporated mountain, river and methane from all fields nearby, resulting in thunderstorms. However, all these studies have not been confirmed yet, and the origin of the thunderstorms is still a mystery. reportedly around 40,000 lightning bolts, illuminate the sky every night at a rate of 18 to 60 volts per minute. However, in 2010, these thunderstorms stopped earlier than usual, and people thought that it would never happen again. But 6 weeks later, the phenomenon began again. Stone balls. In the 1930s, people traveling to Costa Rica found strange stone balls located at impossible corners of the city. There are around 300 stone petrospheres that are found, mostly made of granite diorite or gabbro. The size of these boulders is believed to be around a few centimeters to over 2 meters, and the maximum weight is up to 20 tons reportedly. These stone balls are called dickless spheres, as these rocks appeared during the dickless culture, which is now extinct. The settlement emerged in the valley of the Rio Grande Terrible, where they used to exchange goods with other neighboring territories. It was during this period that sculptured stone appeared, including stone cylinders, barrel spheres, and depictions of characters. Between 8800 to 15, during the Cherokee period, the settlements grew into large communities around the Taruba River and its main tributaries. After that, they began to construct large structures using round-edged boulders, paved areas, burial sites, and circular or rectangular mounds with stone walls. With time, the settlement and the stone balls were forgotten. It was in the 1930s when the sculptures were rediscovered by a fruit company whilst clearing the jungle to make way for banana plantations.